Hi, I'm Dr. Hovey. I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this course. I like to provide a welcome video because in the online learning environment, I believe hearing and seeing your instructor helps you to get to know me. And it helps us have a stronger connection and develop a collegial relationship. I've included some photos of me and my family in this presentation that I think capture who I am. I hope you enjoy them. I've been teaching nursing since the 1990s. I always look forward to the beginning of a new course because regardless of how well you have or have not done in previous courses, every new course provides an opportunity for a fresh start. As great as that is, sometimes it can also be a little intimidating. You're learning new content on a subject from an unfamiliar instructor in a new format. I want you to know that you are not alone in this journey. I'm here and I'm available to help. I've already posted information on how to reach me in the course. You'll find that one of the best things you can do when you have a problem is seek help. If you were in a traditional classroom, you would raise your hand and ask questions or express concerns. You should do the same here. Lastly, I know there are a lot of choices today when it comes to education. Those choices include different universities, different programs, different courses, and different instructors. Your choices led you here, and I want to thank you for that. Working together, we can have a great educational experience. I know I'm looking forward to our time together, and I hope you are too. At the end of my presentation are some slides of me having fun. I believe in work-life balance, so I try to enjoy time with family and friends when I can.